I was so excited this year when Sam called and said we're on for phase 2 of Making 80, improving this piece of property and taking it to the next level. We got some cool things planned, how to take this existing plot that we worked on last year and taking it to the next level.
You know, how many different times did Pat literally say, man, this is going to be a multi-year process?
Sam has ambitions to make a secondary plot, so I got some ideas.
There's so much land here out of this 80 acres that we haven't touched yet. Ice house cribs, hunt and check cribs.
Lots of stuff in front of us, lots of work ahead.